Hey folks, I'm William Frew, your video plumber, with another tip of the day. How to flush your water heater and how often do I need to do it? Well, let me tell you, you need to flush that at least once a year. What are some of the tools that you're going to need? Well, you're going to need a screwdriver and you're going to need a hose long enough to get to a floor drain or the outside. One of the two. Alright, let's get to work. Hey folks, you really want to take good care of your water heater, so let's flush this thing out. This thing costs you a lot of money, so let's keep it in good working order. So what we want to do is we want to come down here to the drain. We want to hook up our hose. Let's take the other end of the hose. Let's stick that into the drain. And I'm going to hang on to this so this doesn't bounce out all over the place. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the valve and I'm going to let this thing flush for about 10 minutes. Okay, that's been 10 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and shut that off. And what I'm doing here is that we're flushing all the sediment that's sitting on the bottom of the water heater. We're going to force all of that out of this little drain valve into the drain, extending the life of your water heater. And that's your tip of the day, the Sunshine Video Plumber.